Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
A strong signature identifies you and supports your professional brand instantly. Use it to communicate key contact details and establish credibility quickly. Keep the signature concise, informative, and visually balanced for quick scanning. Limit decorative elements and avoid large images that break mobile layouts. Include name, title, company, phone, and one email or website link only. Prioritize legible fonts, clear hierarchy, and consistent spacing to guide the reader's eyes without clutter. Use a clear font like Seago UI or Calibri at 11 or 12 points. Maintain readable color contrast and avoid low-contrast text on light backgrounds. Limit width to about 600 pixels and height to roughly 150 pixels so signatures render consistently across clients. Use one logo no larger than 3.5 inches in width and 72 dpi to avoid oversized files. Keep line spacing tight but legible, and use subtle separators like a thin vertical bar or a middle dot. Set signatures per account in Outlook and choose default for new messages. Paste plain text first, then format to prevent hidden HTML issues from copying. Test on desktop, mobile, and web clients, and send samples to colleagues for feedback. Optimize for reply chains by creating a compact version with initials only. Avoid promotional banners. Include only one legal disclaimer under 400 characters, and place it beneath your contact block to reduce visual clutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.